Hola y bienvenidos al módulo 9. This module we're going to be talking about regular AR verbs and yes/no questions. So that's if you've taken Spanish before, that's one of the main topics. And if you haven't taken Spanish before, we've seen some irregular verbs and now we have the regular verbs. So all of the verbs that end with AR, how to do their conjugations for the different people, and how to make our yes/no questions. So we have our textbook pages and some other resources for there, some videos to watch. Then I have again the pronunciation review. So this module, we have our second pronunciation project. So make sure you go over again. It's the same, the vowel and consonant sounds. So make sure you review those for the project. Okay, so for the assignments, we have homework packet 7, even though it's module 9, it's homework packet 7 because we skipped 2 weeks of 2 modules of homework packets during the field specific projects. So I know the number doesn't match up, but we're up to homework packet 7. The second pronunciation project. So if you got a 95 or higher on the first pronunciation project, you can count that grade for the second one and you don't have to do the second one. You just need to send me an email and say that you want to apply your grade from the first one to the second one. If you got below an 80, I really recommend that you make an appointment to meet with me on Zoom to go over it. Because yeah, if you got below an 80, it will be very beneficial for you if we could go over some things together before you submit the second one. Okay, and then the quiz, like always. Keep me posted if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.